Hi, welcome to the video training series. Today we're going to look at the maintenance button. Now we select this, it wants to actually close the system. So if we have another part module open, for instance content, and then we go to maintenance, it's going to give us a warning. Please close any other programs. So we go OK to that, minimize. So we go to maintenance, we go to yes. Okay, we have it set up on the simple method. There are two methods. There's a multi-site feature and just a single site feature. This is the single site feature, and we're just going to look at backing up and restoring. As the database is actually kept on your computer, it's a very good idea to do backups of the website and get them off your computer. For instance, save them to an external hard drive, or you can even email to another computer or a CD. But backing up is a vital part. Now, so we go click to backup, and we're going to select my desktop, and we have a folder made saying backups. Now, what I do with all my backups is I put the date in there in reverse order. So 2011 0523. Now, by doing this, every time you make a backup, your latest backup will be on the bottom. And backups are good too, because if you have a backup, say from yesterday, and then today you started making some changes on your site and you didn't like it, you can always revert back to yesterday's backup. So we go save. Okay, and that has now been created. Okay, we'll open the system again. Now this time we're going to go through and we're going to restore. So we click maintenance, click yes. This time we select restore. Click to restore. Okay, we're now on our backups folder on our desktop, and we're going to restore this file. Double click, and your file has been restored. Now with the backup system, the backups are quite small. For instance, this particular website file is 794 kilobytes. So if you needed to email it to another computer, they're very light, they're compressed, they're very easy to deal with. Now the other style of the maintenance button, if I go to options and I select show multi-site features, and then I go file, synchronize. Okay, close that. Now if I open the maintenance button, okay, you can see we have moved the database to a different location. Select the location of the database or create a new website. Now, select the location of a database can be very handy if you're using a server situation. So you could select that, select location, find your server and go OK, and then the database will be stored there. If you want to move your database to a different location, you select that and move database, and you can move it to anywhere on your computer or My Documents, wherever you like. So for instance, you might have two websites and you might decide to keep the database in My Documents, one folder called website 1 and the other one called website 2. So that's where you actually select those locations for the database. And the next one is create a new website, requires CWB code. So you'd click that, create new database. It will ask you where you want to save the database, and then once you select an area, it'll create a database. Then it will ask you for a new CW code, which is available from our website on when you download that. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for more.